this benefit has been mentioned by the ulama in the books of Aqidah, is that at the time of Nuh alayhi salam, and I'm sure this hadith isn't hidden from any of us here, in Sahih Bukhari and authority Abdullah ibn Abbas, he said that how shirk originated is when they made idols, right? Who knows the story? Let's give away another one option here. You here, young man. Have you heard the hadith of how shirk began? No? Do you want to have a go at guessing? No? Anybody want to help him? Get some. Barakallah feek. So Abdullah ibn Abbas said that there were 3 stages. Number 1, let's make an image to remember them. Number 2, let's go next to the image to worship Allah but not to worship them. Just because they were pious, go next to the statue, more likely that your dua is going to be accepted. And then eventually he said, don't worship these idols. Use these idols to get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Right? So now this is the benefit. At the time of Ibrahim, and this is what the author is saying here, rahimahullah, that when they went off to the different regions, so now they went to Syria, they established themselves in Damascus, they were in Bayt al-Maqdis, etc., and they were moving around. Those who lived in Damascus were followers of this religion where they were worshipping the 7 stars. They would face the North Pole, up north, and worship the 7 stars. This is the benefit, which is that by this point, shirk has evolved to 2 different types. One is where they've got an idol and they're making tawassul to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through that idol. So they don't believe they're actually worshipping this idol, they just think that idol is going to get them closer to Allah. But then the second one is where they are now creating theories of how to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The first one was quite clear. You've got these pious people, and innovation led to kufr and shirk. But the worship of stars and these celestial bodies, the sun, the moon, where did that come from? All of that was from like kalam and philosophy and things like that. And this is the da'wah of Ibrahim alayhi salam. And this is why he's a Hanif and his millah is pure and clean. Because not only does he eradicate kufr and shirk, he eradicates all the types of kufr and shirk which is ever to ever exist afterwards. Because not only is he removing the traditional type of shirk that we would understand, going to an idol or worshipping other than Allah, but also the shirk of theorizing, of philosophizing, and then creating a deity based on that.